Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And Hempy, can't you see? Sometimes your world just hypnotized me. Get him, Hemp. Up 74% today, sitting at 2 cents a share, baby. All right, still extremely cheap. Um, but man, what a big day that it's had today, and really a big week. Past 3 or 4 trading days, it's made some really good progress. We made a couple of videos on this stock last week, and I've talked about my plans with it. And I just wanted to provide an update for all of you who are following along on this particular stock. If you're thinking about getting in, I'm going to provide some key support and resistance levels and some things to be aware of moving forward. So just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find value in today's video, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps grow the channel. Also, if you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So let's dive into the charts, guys, and get right on into it. All right, guys, so we're taking a look at Hemp, ticker symbol HEMP, trading on the over-the-counter market, so the OTC. Um, yeah, it's had a really good um, last few trading days dating back to last week. Hit a high of about 2.5 cents, and so that's going to be our key resistance. And you can see it hit that 2.5 cents, and it tried to test it again and got rejected. So I do expect a pullback. So I want everyone to be cautious here. If you're thinking about getting into this stock now, I would definitely wait and see exactly how low it's going to go before it makes a decision to come back up. So as of now, your key resistance is going to be 0.0196. And to be honest, I see if we have a pullback, whether it be tomorrow or the next day, I do think that we can possibly go down to um, this actually break through here and go lower, even all the way down here, okay, to that 0.0139 level. That's just my opinion. I see it going down into the cents, like 1 cent, 1.5 cent or below before it decides to make its way back up. There's always a chance it can go lower. Okay, so just keep that in mind, especially if there's some people that's been in for quite a while in this stock and decide I want to take some profit. If they bought whenever it was well under a penny, you may start seeing people taking some profits and pushing it down. But for myself, I'm actually I can probably take profits here because I'm up, a decent amount, but I'm gonna wait it out because, like I said, I'm in it more for the longer term. On the dips, I'm just gonna buy more and accumulate, and then ride the wave up. So anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I wanted to show you. Is if you're thinking about buying this stock, I would definitely wait a couple of days for the pullback. If you are in this stock and you are considering, should I hold, should I sell? Well, right now we are in overvalued territory, so we are going to make some, um, kind of make a way to the downside temporarily because it's just how it goes. We go up, we go down. So if you're thinking about taking profits, now would be a good time, and then you could always take those profits and get back into the stock after the pullback. So other than that, guys, that's all I have for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button again if you find value in today's video. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.